Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me video for this coming week, and this is what it looks like when it's finished, but let me show you how I got to here. So we're about to start this week and I'm going to be doing it with you guys. So I'm going to start by taking out the sheets, and that's the great thing about the Happy Planner. You can take them out. I find that so satisfying, I don't know why. I just love taking them out and putting them back in. Right, so we'll get this out of the way. I haven't done this before, but I thought I would try covering this part with sticker paper. I've seen other people do this and I thought it looked quite cool, so I think I'm going to try it. So I'm going to need my blade. I've got this pencil case where I keep all my most used items, and it is in a recent Poundland haul, so if you haven't seen that, I will link it and you can have a look. There we go. So I need to cut that, and I'm using this. This is a bottle opener. It's metal, but I find it really good because it's really heavy. And also I found sometimes when I use my plastic ruler, if I get too close to the ruler with my knife, it actually cuts the ruler because it's plastic. So at least I know that won't happen with this. There we go. And then the width, how wide are we going to need it? Ta-da! Now I can just trim it here. So there we go, we're starting with a completely neutral black spread here. Here we go. Right, so this is the colour that I kind of wanted to use as inspiration. So yeah, so if this is what I am going for as inspiration, I think the closest are going to be one of these from the Colourful Boxes book. And again, it doesn't need to be exact, it's just I'm just using it as inspiration. So we're going to use those, I think, and then let's have a look in the Colour Story book to see what we can find that will go along with that. Let's see. That kind of does. Well, this is going to be good, I think. The important one. Work hard and be nice, quite like that one. And find joy in the ordinary. That's sort of along the colour lines we're looking at. This is really going to work, isn't it? And this. I like this, lovely. Okay, you've got this. These are all kind of along the same, like what I'm thinking of to do. Got a turquoise heart. Quite like the black and white as well. Make it happen, one day at a time. These are nice. This. So I think we're going to go for like black and turquoise. This. Yeah, so there's loads. Basically, we're not going to have any trouble finding things. So let's start by finding something I really like to put. Where we're going to put it first? Maybe something up here. What we want is something like remember, don't forget, important. Oh, remember. That's a little bit too dark of a turquoise, I think, maybe. What have we got here? Let's have a look. Makes today good. Great. Life is so good. Get it done. That's quite good. Quite like that, but it's kind of long for going here. Might use that for weekend. Get it done, that's quite good. Might do that and pop that there, and that'll be for like my main things to do. Like this, sisters for misters. That would be good when I've got plans with my sister. Right. See sister, thebestshirt.com. So many good ones. It's a really good book, isn't it? I like this one. Okay, so I think we're going to go with one I said before, which was the No, boxes, wasn't it? I can find it now. This one. I think I'm going to put that on. So we'll put that here. Get it done. Is that where I want it? Or do I want it down a bit? Down a bit, I think. I think I want it to match up with the top of there. Like that, I think. So I'm going to change this because I realise this is blue writing and I don't want blue writing because I'm going for like black and turquoise. So I'm going to pop that there. Yeah, I prefer that. I might use this one. Let's try and see. And I think I need some turquoise up there now. So I'm going to look for turquoise, and I know I want this one. I'm going to pop it here. And I'm going to take my knife and cut along here. I just want a really small one. And I think I want to use this green because it works with that, and if I put it over here it'll help tie it in. I want something turquoise or black there. Probably black might be good. Oh, actually that would be quite good. Make today great since it's the end of the holidays. Maybe there. That black box. I don't know if it's too geometric. Oh, that's nice. Actually, I like that actually. I'll come back to that one. I don't think I want one that is... Oh, that's quite advertising the gold. The black and gold one I saw. This one. So I'm going to take that one. And this one. And right, I think that one there and that one there. Cover there, yeah. And then I could still layer on top of those with turquoise boxes, which I think I will do right now actually. So I think this one ties in quite well with that shade. And put that one there. A little black one, like this. I'm going to put that here because I like to layer them. I quite like to think dream plan because I tend to plan on a Sunday evening. I think that's a good one. I think I need something for the bottom of here. So let's see what we have. Actually, I want to use one of these to-dos. I think I'm going to put that there to kind of balance things out a bit. Perfect. Oh, I'm going to make my uploads Monday and Wednesday, so I need to leave a space for those. That's fine. Oh, actually I'll do boxes for those, so I think I will use turquoise ones, and I'm going to use a bigger one. Not that big actually. This is actually big. This size. Now, Do I want to use this shade or this shade? Place it right at the bottom. And another one here. And, oh no, oops, that's nearly the wrong day. Here. And that's for my upload days. Okay, this is looking good. Now I think I'm going to put some turquoise here. So I think what I'm going to do is a checklist. Why is that called funky? There we go. Happy with that. And then I think I need some gold up here to balance that. One day at a time. I would add that to Wednesday for hump day, but I've already got something in each of those boxes. I might add it on Thursday. That's like towards the end of the week when we get a bit of a slump. And I won't add anything more to that because I'm going to need space for writing. I quite like this one, and that ties in the colours quite well. I think, yeah, I won't add that, but where? No, I've already got a quote there. I've already got a quote there. Maybe up here. I don't know, I put it this side because I put this one at that side so it kind of balances it out. I think I'm going to add this to buy one. What colour? This one. Because it's the last week of school holidays and there's a good chance we're going to still have some bits left to get for school. So I'll add those there. Or do I want them on these? I think this, be productive, would be good, and I'll put that down here. How's that looking? Good. We need something here. I feel like maybe something decorative. We need. Let's have a look. I'm going to put this because it's Friday. Now, what boxes don't have anything in? This one has nothing, and this one, and that's it. So let's add something in there. It doesn't need to be big. How about, that one doesn't have very much at all, so I'll do something big in there maybe. Here, I think I'm going to add a to-do. There, and then that one, I wanted something a bit bigger, didn't I? So maybe, I don't want a quote because I've got a quote above it. So I don't want those. Maybe that turquoise one is the right one. Do you know what? Let's try it and see. Actually, I'll read it here. And then I'm going to put some black boxes. Let's have a look at this book. Quite like this, Invest and Rest. Don't know if it goes that well. Let's try it. There are no rules, guys. There are no rules. Yep, I'm doing that. I'm feeling happier. I think I need to stop now though before I do too much. So that's going to be it. I feel like maybe I should do something along top and bottom. Let's see if I've got any washi that would match. I've got this new thin washi. There's that one. Or this one. I think I prefer the blue one. Or turquoise, I think blue. But I don't want it that thick, I want it thin. So I'm going to put it on here and cut it. Do I want this one? Oh, maybe. Ah, perfect. I need this to make something. So this was the sheet that I had kind of used as a little bit of inspiration for this week's spread. And here we go, that's it finished. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.